So we're looking at the S&P 500 futures here. This is the weekly chart. We always start with the multiple time frames, weekly, daily, hourly, 15-minute, and 5-minute. Okay. So we're starting here with the weekly chart, and it's just kind of bumping up against this 43.27 resistance here. A little bit of divergence going on here. And on the weekly chart anyway, just keep in mind August 13th. I've been mentioning and I'll keep talking about this, but so this is going to be a while. The other date you want to keep track of is kind of right here in the middle of this cycle. It's probably July 3rd or 4th. Yeah. The week of July 3rd. So I expect this could get up above here, right? We could get above this 4327 number. It is possible. And then either just kind of flattens out in here, or it may never get above it. We'll just see what happens. But I do think something will probably occur around this time frame of 7.3, the week of 7.3. I may think you'll see some price decline, or just kind of the price will kind of stall and flatten out. Might bounce again really late into this cycle and then down into August 13th. So we'll keep an eye on that. Right now, though, I do see a little bit of divergence here showing up in the Big Daddy. Okay, let's look at the daily chart. So here we are on the daily chart, and this divergence, it showed up a couple days ago. Was it yesterday? Yeah, it's still, that's something I still have my eye on. I can see the Big Daddy's pointing down here a little bit. Looks like the SMI is trying to roll over here a little bit. And, it came down from its high of about 68, I think it was. Yeah, 68. So I did mention a few days back that, between 70 and 80 is something to keep an eye on. Got up to 68. Looks like, we may, like I said, there's still a chance for a bounce up to get up into here, because that'll happen a lot of times. Be aware also that I think it's June 16th is quad witching. It's the quarterly monthly expirations for options, and so just be aware of that. Even though the cycle low is June 21, there is, I believe that's probably a Thursday or Friday, the 16th of June, which is coming up pretty quick here. But in any case, based on what I'm seeing here, I do think we're going to get a decline coming down into this options expiration, and maybe even a little bit after that down into the 21st. Now, I don't think it'll get much lower than this 42.20. There's a 42.08, which was kind of a big number for a while. I'm kind of, look, that's either right here along this line, 42.20. There is a possibility it could get down to, let's see, 41.74. Okay, because that would be more support. Whereas the 42.8 was resistance, but 41.74, which is about 100 points from where we're at. Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible. I don't think we'll get that low, but it could happen. That would be, kind of right along here. A 42.20 probably is going to happen, though. I do think we'll get down to that, maybe a little bit lower. So keep those dates in mind. June 16th, which you may not be able easy to see that here on the chart, but there's a June 16th date right here on the TOS platform, and June 21st is approximately a cycle low. All right, let's look at the trade of the day. So here this morning at 9:40 a.m., this alert came in well, by the way, the members get streaming charts, 5-minute, 15-minute, and the 1-hour streaming charts 5 days a week, 24 hours a day for the S&P 500. So they see this alert come in, and also on the Discord server, which I'll show you in a minute, they get alert on the Discord server about these alerts that show up. So here we are on the 5-minute chart, and about 9:40 this morning, this alert came in. I actually traded this alert. Now I saw that the SMI had, not bottomed yet. So I was being a little bit patient. It made its little zigzag. Eventually it got all the way up to here, and I could see that it kind of peaked out and started to turn down. That's when I took the trade. Made a little bit of money here, not a lot. So a very, very, very small range day, yeah. We're only talking like 43.05 down to like 42.70. So you're talking 35 points, another small range day. But there was definitely money to be made here, as it got down into this area. So we're looking at maybe like, we'll call it 42.88 down to 75, maybe like a good 12, 13 points right there. It wasn't bad, a nice little trade. I had a really small position because the day was very, as you can see, kind of a mixed day, bouncing up and down. but made a little money in this area right here. Nice little trade for such a small range day. I'll take it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one right here at 7 a.m. This was nice. Okay, right there. Really, really nice. If you're patient with this one. Okay, you can see this was starting to dip. The MACD was still going up. Got over into this area, rolled over. Wow. Nice, right? Say somewhere right in there, maybe you catch the trade. About maybe 42.97-ish on the 15-minute chart here. Take it all the way down to about 42.85. Right? So not quite 15, a little more than 15 points, sorry. Yeah, oh no, I'm sorry, not quite 15 points. A little less, about 12 points right there. Now on a day, I think we only had a range of, I think it was 35 points today. Picking up 17 points, that's basically 50% of the range of the day you picked up in this one trade right here on this one alert. You had to be a little patient to catch this, probably take the trade, maybe have to jump back out, wait, and then watch the MACD roll over right here, take the trade, boom. Now over here on the Discord server talking about the alerts, here's the S&P 500 alerts channel, and you can see all the alerts. This is today, all this is today that came in, okay? You got some 5-minute, 15-minute, 1-hour alerts that all came in today. Some of those I talked about, the best trades of the day are in here. Okay, there's different times throughout the day. So the members get these alerts. In addition to the streaming charts, they get these alerts on the Discord server, right? They come here, click notification settings, click all messages, and they get the alerts. Okay, I also trade gold. For those that want to trade gold, the same thing happens with the gold alerts. Crude oil, top 30 stocks for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. And for those that want to do some swing trades, there's daily alerts going on here as well. Okay, there's a premium symbols channel. And this is where my logic picks up symbols every day. Okay, we'll talk about that here in just a minute. And for members, I just want to talk about to the members for 1 second here. If you're a new member, welcome new members. Got quite a few new members that came in. Make sure you put your email address in this emails only channel if you want to get the nightly email. Now this is everything the members get. Everything here in this big old rectangular looking thingy I'm putting up here. Okay, YouTube videos like the one I'm doing now goes to everybody. Goes to the members and general public. Everybody gets this. Okay, but everything else in here that I've already pretty much talked about goes strictly, specifically to members only. Okay, streaming charts, S&P 500 streaming charts, the S&P 500 alerts, 5-minute, 15-minute, 1-hour daily. Talked about that. Again, like I always talk about, you can pause this video and just look at all the services that the members get on the Discord server. Okay, here's alerts that I talked about that. The top 30 stocks, S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Again, 5-minute, 15-minute, 1-hour. And the daily. Premium symbols. So my logic goes through and picks out the premium symbols each day in the premium symbols channel. You get futures, optionable stocks. Sometimes you get industries and sometimes you don't. It just depends what the market's doing. And shorts. Okay. Again, I talked about the nightly emails. All right. So if you're interested, click on the link in the first comment of this YouTube video. Just come to the server. Okay. It's going to bring you over to this server right here. Get a server. All right, once you get there, you're going to click on server subscriptions right here. Click on that. You get this webpage right here, $7.99 a month, guys and gals. That's a really good deal for all the alerts and all the premium services that I just showed you. Okay, so take advantage of it while you can. I think the price is a really good value. Happy trading, everybody. We'll talk to you all real soon again next time.